बाय टू टेक वन
एक्शन।
कट इट ओके।
दोस्तों, दम है या डम है में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं आशीष और आज बात करेंगे सलमान खान फिल्म्स के रीमेक अटेम्प्ट हीरो की।
प्यार करने वाले कभी डरते नहीं, जो डरते हैं वो प्यार करते नहीं।
जिंदगी भरोसे से प्यार करूंगा, कोई रोक सके तो रोक ले।
The dawn of 2015 is one of the best years for Atrangi Bhaijaan Salman Khan. After raking gold from Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Salman dons a new role alongside Bollywood veteran Subhash Ghai as producers for the remake of 1983's blockbuster hit movie Hero. The earlier version of this cult classic introduced the handsome Jackie Shroff and created a rage across the country. Cut to 2015. Hero has newcomers Aditya Pancholi's son Suraj Pancholi playing the role of Suraj and actor Sunil Shetty's daughter Athia Shetty playing the role of Radha, along with veterans like Timanshu Dhulia, Kader Khan and Aditya Pancholi in supporting roles.
अगर आपने मुझे इसलिए मारा क्योंकि मैं सूरज से प्यार करती हूँ तो मुझे फिर से मारिए।
Hero. The film is about Suraj, a gangster of Mumbai who is to kidnap Radha, the daughter of city's chief of police, essentially borrowing in from the same old plot of original Hero. To seek revenge, a disguised Suraj manages to whisk away Radha, and what follows is the most predictable plot unfurling yet another mundane Stockholm Syndrome love saga. Eventually, Radha finds out that she was kidnapped by Suraj. After a series of predictable events, it is time for Suraj now to abandon Radha, who by then is head over heels and lovelorn. A guilt-ridden Suraj surrenders to the police, more so as a penance, and of course, what follows is a fight to reclaim his love. Actor Suraj no doubt is an unpolished gem and displays tremendous potential. However, Athia should go back to school. Veterans like Timanshu Dhulia, Aditya Pancholi and Kader Khan support the film quite well. Salman Khan too has gone out of the way to pack in a punch to ensure a blazing launchpad for his production house and the film.
जी की बेटी से प्यार कैसे कर सकता है? मैंने तुम्हारा किडनैप किया है।
Just tell me you love me.
हमारे बीच दूरियां इन जेल की दीवारों की वजह से नहीं, हमारी लाइफ की सच्चाई की वजह से।
There is no harm in remakes and seeking inspiration from cult classics as long as filmmakers understand the soul of the script and are mature enough to understand and manage the journey of the story and the transition of characters, most importantly, from then to now. Director Nikhil Advani no doubt is a talented director, but I guess not mature enough to handle cult classics in transition. The original Hero had the entire nation spellbound by Jackie Shroff and Meenakshi Seshadri's love story. Even the supporting cast back then had acting giants like Shammi Kapoor, Sanjeev Kumar and Amrish Puri. The original Hero was an ensemble that has ruled the hearts of the nation for decades. Even the signature flute tune played by Jackie's character was iconic back then and even now. I'll tell you what, the film perhaps was made with Salman Khan in mind initially, and so the paraphernalia was expected to work a miracle like in Bajrangi Bhaijaan. But then it is expecting far too much from the young actors. The burden of expectation is too heavy for them to pull this one off. This Hero is a brave attempt with contemporary frills, but is a frail shrill that cannot be even remotely compared to the iconic original Hero.
आजी साहब ने कहा इसलिए हम सब तुम्हारी देखभाल कर रहे हैं और ये लो खा लो।
I don't want this. मुझे फोन करने दो नहीं तो।
नहीं तो क्या?
हीरो का म्यूजिक ठीक ठाक है, काफी सॉन्ग्स ऑलरेडी पॉपुलर हैं। सलमान खान के स्टारडम, बॉक्स ऑफिस पावर और वॉइस प्रोसेसर के जादू ने मैं हूं हीरो तेरा सॉन्ग को ऑलरेडी ट्रेंडिंग द चार्ट्स कैटेगरी में ले आया है। फिल्म को बेस्ट इन क्लास पब्लिसिटी और प्रमोशन मिला है। हीरो is a dream launch for any actor in the recent times and is expected to garner an excellent opening.
आँखों के पन्नों पे मैंने लिखा था 100 दफा कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा।
So in the end, Hero फिल्म के मॉडर्न फ्रिल्स और एक्शन में बहुत दम है, मगर फिल्म ओवरऑल बहुत बेजान और डम है। हमारी रेटिंग हीरो के लिए 2.5 आउट ऑफ 5, मगर सुभाष घई की ओरिजिनल हीरो के लिए तब भी और आज भी 5 में से 5।
Just tell me you love me.
Yeah!
Thank you very much for making Dum Hai Ya Dum Hai India's fastest growing film review show. Please keep sharing your movie experiences with me on my Twitter handle Ashish Kaul. See you next week. Till then, happy movies.
मैं तुम्हें कुछ भी नहीं होने दूंगा राधा, I promise. छोड़ना मत.
कभी नहीं.
पर जिंदगी भर उसी से प्यार करूंगा. कोई रोक सके तो रोक ले.
आंखों के पन्नों पे